Welcome to day 2 of our AI training for SMEs and MSMEs. Today we'll be diving into critical step of establishing your business online footprint. This session is led by me, Dubgive, the CEO of Overite. Now we are going to look into 3 areas, which is building your business online. We'll learn how to critically launch your business in the digital realm. Use AI tools live. Engaging with AI application in real time to enhance your workflow. Prepare your digital presence, developing strong strategic approach to your online visibility and branding. Okay, let's look at practical tools for our online journey. To make the most of today's session, please, it's advisable we open the following tools. We will be using them hands-on to build our digital presence. So first thing we have here is ChatGPT, which is your AI assistant for crafting compelling business content quickly and efficiently. To do that, quickly go into your browser, get an account if you don't have an account, or if you do, congratulations, we are finally open ChatGPT. Now, the next we have here is Canva. In our previous lesson, we looked at Canva as well. If you haven't signed up, quickly sign up on Canva. If you have signed up, log into your Canva. So it's the go-to platform for creating stormy virtual branding, logos, and marketing materials. As the course proceeds, we will see the reasons why these are needed. For every business to have a good visibility and branding, you must have your logo and your branding materials. That's why we'll be leveraging Canva for that. Now we have Hostinja, the fundamental service for building and hosting your professional business website. So let's quickly go to our Chrome and search for Hostinja. Hostinja.com. So to just take us to our landing page. Now you can click my account where you log in and launch. So let's just quickly look at what Hostinja is all about. So Hostinja, it's a hosting platform that allow you to use AI to build your website as well, and you can decide not to use AI as well. So the most important thing that we should look at in Hostinja is what they have. Let's look at their services. These are their services. When you visit their website, you can check more. You can see build website builder, which is their AI version. E-commerce, you can also build an e-commerce website using the AI of it as well. VPS hosting, AI manage hosting for WordPress, also have AI integrated, and you can also chat them to know more or ask more questions as well. That's Node.js for those that will be using Node.js, maybe diving into web development full time. Then the next thing we should look at is pricing. So on their pricing is the hosting plan for the premium plus AI. We'll be looking at $1.9 dollar per month. Then there is the business plan, which is most popular, which is like $2, let's say approximately, let's say $3 per month. So choose your plan, and I think when you choose a particular plan, you have access to a free domain, so you can check it out. So we already have an account, so that's all for today. Create your account, select your hosting plan, and pick a domain for your business. So for instance, if your business is Martins Limited, you can do martins.com or martins.ng or .org, depending on your business. We'll dive fully into how to select domain later on or on our upcoming classes. You can use my link on the screen to get a discount when purchasing your hosting plan. Look at the last we have here, which is Google Business Profile, which ensure your business visibility and discovery, which means when people search on Google, they could find your business on the map as well. Okay, let's quickly navigate to Google Chrome and see how we can actually set up a business profile. So when you visit Google, on your empty space, just click this menu here beside your profile, then look for Business Profile Manager, and this will automatically take you to Google Business Profile instead of searching on the search bar. Now, for you to do that, you need to first click Start Now, and you select your business name and your business category. Anyway, this is just for us to open the tools down. When we dive deeply into how we can implement all this, we will all see them in actions. Okay, let's look at why your business must thrive online. We all know that the online market is very huge. It's not just about your location, it's a global market. Now, the truth is, you may spend money having physical shop, but how many physical shop will you have to hit over 500 or 1,000 visitors on a daily basis? It's never possible with that. No matter where your shop is located, your physical shop is located, even if you are staying at the center of New York or the best place in Lagos, like the most populated market in Lagos, you can never achieve that. But by bringing your business online, you could achieve that. For instance, people search on a particular topic over 1 billion times on Google, and people scrolling over the internet across different countries. Now, it's not about exaggerating, but this is what we are talking about. Ask yourself a question: how many times do you go to Google to search on a particular thing? You discover that what I'm saying is the truth. Imagine when your business line, there are less people offering that line and you are online. We know what we are talking about. So customers search online first before even making attempts to visit any physical shop. Now, online presence is not even about just getting customers or visibility. It increases trust and credibility. When your clients or your business partners to be, or even your customers search online and they could find you online, it gives them trust and credibility. So it's also make your business to be available 247 and expand your market reach. Your physical shop may be located at New York or at Alaba International Market, Lagos, Nigeria. But meanwhile, somebody is at Pakistan looking for what you are selling. How can you do that? It's only your website with integrated payment solution that could achieve that for you. That somebody in Pakistan can purchase your item, you that is in Nigeria. So it's something that we shouldn't joke with. And by the end of our course, we will integrate all these things that we have been saying. Now, let's look at website and social media, their differences when creating an online presence. When we made mention of businesses thriving online, a lot of us, our mind go towards having a social media account. Truth is, the most successful entrepreneur recognize the power of using both platforms strategically. So let's quickly look at the difference between a social media presence and a dedicated website. On social media, it's easy to set up, quick to get started and create profiles. And in terms of cost effective. Many platforms offer free accounts, and Facebook, you don't need money to create a Facebook account. Neither you need money to create Instagram or TikTok or even your LinkedIn account. In terms of market reach, you could achieve that because a lot of people are on these social media platforms. Community building, you can build a lot of community without no cost on this social media platform. You can create Facebook groups and the rest of it. Now, let's talk about a website. It builds professional identity, provide a central and credible hub for all your business platform. When people visit your website, it's all about you. It's all about you. You are not tied to a platform policy, or this is about you in person. And it's your permanent home. You will not be afraid of your account being restricted, or you post something that you're not meant to post, or you want to run an advert and you are being restricted that you cannot run a specific advert. This is under your control and it's your perfect permanent home. You own the content and the platform, unlike a rented social media space. Enhancing functionalities. Yes, there are some things you feel that Facebook can't give you, or maybe other social media can actually give you because of your business. But owning your own professional website, you can always improve the functionality of the website. For instance, building a website, you may have a static page, and later on, you may decide to add a product page. And also, you may have a product page, but people can make payments on your platform. You then move to integrating payment gateway. As well, you may have achieved that, but you may look at, oh, okay, people can pay. What about the logistics? You may decide to integrate a logistics system on your website. So it's flexible for you and you can always enhance the functionality of your website. Then, in terms of scalability and control, you own it. Nobody tells you what to do on your own dedicated website. Unlike various social media handles, that they tell you the number of posts you can make. You want to upload a video, they will restrict you for the length of video that you can upload, and even the type of video you can upload. But owning a dedicated website, credibility and control are for you. So these are the basic things we need to know about social media and having a dedicated website. But as an entrepreneur, you need to learn how to leverage both of them. As the course move on, we will still be looking further about how to create a social media account, best way to optimize your account, and as well creating of your website using Hostinger to host your platform and the Hostinger AI builder. Okay, in today's section, we'll be creating a professional website with Hostinger. Now, building a website might seem very, very complicated. Maybe that's why professionals charge thousands of naira to build that. But I'm telling you guys that after the end of this session, you should be able to own your website. So part of the thing you should have in mind is you should open your chat GPT, because that's what we'll be using to generate content, and brainstorm about our business before we publish anything on our website. And secondly, we should make sure that we have opened Hostinger. You have signed up and purchased a domain. Please purchase a domain at your affordable cost. You don't need to purchase the most expensive one. It's when you start scaling, that's why you can decide to go for most expensive plan. So first thing we need to do now is we need to choose our business name. So we'll be going to ChatGPT to achieve that by visiting chatgpt.com, and we brainstorm on the right name to use. Okay, now we are on ChatGPT. We have visited chatgpt.com and we have signed up. So now what we need to do first is to brainstorm. Yeah, we all have an idea in mind about our business, but we don't know where to start from. That's where ChatGPT is here as your assistant, your AI assistant to do anything you want to. See ChatGPT as your consultant as well. That is your AI consultant. So, I have a business in mind. I want to start, or I want to build a tech related agricultural business. So, first thing we need is brainstorming on our business name. So, I'll quickly prompt or text my AI and see what suggestion is going to give us. I'll say, um, please, I I have a business. Sorry, I have a business idea on on agricultural 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 business. Agricultural. I have an idea on agricultural business. Agricultural business based based on tech. Please, can you can you give me sorry can you give me a business name? For those that doesn't have a business name, you can use ChatGPT to brainstorm a business name. Can you give me a business name for my for my website domain domain name? So domain name is the name people see when visiting your website. For instance, we have Amazon.com, we have pdfirms.com, we have Overite.co. So that name is called a domain name. So I've written my prompt, which is, please, I have a business idea on agricultural business based on tech. Please, can you give me a business? Can you give me? Can you give a business name? Let's put name here. A business name for my website domain name. We click, we send it to ChatGPT. So ChatGPT is going to brainstorm and give us an idea. So let's see the best of what is generating. Okay, we have Agronova, we have Farm Space, we have AgriFusion, we have Crop Techie. So you can keep asking ChatGPT, keep asking ChatGPT. If you don't like this, you can keep asking till you get the best from it. And as well, our previous lesson we said don't pull everything for your AI. Your AI, see your AI as your personal advisor and assistant. So ChatGPT may give you a name, but pick a specific name and you can maneuver the name. I mean, you can get an idea. Let's say this crop chain. I can say crop tech chain if I want to use this crop chain. So after brainstorming, I think I'm going to select. Okay, said Africa focus name. Oh wow, this is also nice. Agro Ninja Tech. Green Harvest Africa. Afri Crop Tech. Wow, I like this Afri Crop Tech. So I'm going to pick this Afri Crop Tech. So that's the first thing we need to do, which is getting a business name. So choose the name you want to use and we'll move to the next. So next we have here is registering your hosting plan on Hostinja. So we are going to sign up on Hostinja and choose the specific plan that suits our immediate need. As I said earlier before, you don't need to purchase the biggest plan. You can purchase the biggest plan when you are scaling, but for the now, you can pick the most affordable plan. And let's get started. So let's go into our browser and search for hostingjar.com. Now on hostingjar.com, we'll just navigate to purchasing a plan. I've already done that, but I'm going to show you how you can actually purchase a plan. So first thing first, you may need to look at the pricings and look for what best fits your need. And as I said, I will recommend you using the most affordable plan because you are starting up. So by the time your system starts scaling, you need to add more things. That's when you can, scale. If you can see, even the starting plan is also a very big plan. So, and I'll be leaving a link for you to easily access or purchase a plan, which you may have up to 90% or more discount when purchasing a plan. But if you access it directly, I think what you have here is 85% off. But if you use the link I'm going to share, you may have up to 90% off at the first 1 year. Now, if you look at the plan, the premium plus AI, it's one point, let's say approximately $2 per month. You can go for a year, and you can have 3 websites on that plan actually. Yes, you can have 3 websites on that plan. You can host 3 websites, on that plan, which means it's actually not a small plan. They're on a business plan, which is mostly popular. It's like $3, and you can have up to 50 websites. On the cloud setup, you can have 100 websites. So when you click choose a plan, it's going to take you to a page where you can continue the process making payments on the plan. And what you just need to make the payment, you can just click how many months you want to make the payment. And when you click continue, it's going to request for a payment page where you can put in your dollar card. Please take note, when making a payment, you have to use a dollar card. But if you are finding it difficult to purchase your domain, we are here and we can help you to purchase your domain for yourself. So that's actually all you need to have a domain and a hosting plan. So we'll be looking at number 3 we have here, which is utilize the AI website builder. Hostinja AI Builder simplified design, allowing you to create a beautiful site with minimal effort. So that's the truth. So the thing is that you don't need to know how to code to actually own a website. That's why at the end of this section, you should be able to build your website. We're able to purchase a plan on Hostinja account. Now we need to build our website, leveraging the AI website builder on Hostinja. Okay, after you have purchased your hosting plan with your free 1 year domain that they give you, you just quickly navigate on website. On your website, click on website list. Now on my website list, I've already selected the domain I need to work on. You can just search. I have so many domains. Yeah, I have so many domains, but there's a particular domain that I want to use for this class, which is going to be I think Rajim was the domain, so I need to look for it. I can look for it manually, and at the same time I can use the search. I can use the search button. Though I think, okay, I've seen it. I'll click on dashboard. Sorry, click on dashboard. Then I'm going to search for website, and I'm going to click add website. Now it's going to take us to the Hostinja building, so I can bring in your website to life using Hostinja. I can create a website. Now there are various options we can use. You can use WordPress to and WordPress with the AI tool. You can use Hostinja builder, and you can also use the Horizon, which says build a website by chatting with AI. So you can actually chat with AI to build a website based on prompts. I've not tried this new Horizon feature yet. We can actually decide to try it. Then if you want to develop deploy your Node.js web app or create an empty HTML page, you can decide to select any of these. But we are just building something simple, not complex. We will select website builder. Then for those that want to build something complex for your business as well, you can contact us, and we will guide you through the process. So for this class, we are going to select website builder. Then we click next. Now it's asking for a domain. You can purchase a domain here, purchase any of the domain, but I don't want to purchase a domain. I need to use my free. Okay, because I've already all my domain here is used. So, but because I've done that, I'm going to just say use the template. Okay, we'll be prompting or chatting with AI so that our AI is going to create our website. So there are some free text here. Create a business website, create an online store, design a portfolio, launch an apartment website, start a blog, launch a restaurant website, create one page. Okay, but what we are looking for all pre-made templates. So Hostinger have templates for some websites or link a bio website. So, but in our case here, we need to tell AI what to do. But if you feel that among these suggestions best fits what you are working on, you can select it. But what I'm working on is actually a tech agro platform. So I'll just write here agro tech agrotech website for sorry website for Nigeria for Nigerians, but global market, global market. Now, if you noticed, and a suggestion came up here: improve description. By the time you click it, it allow the hosting jar inbuilt AI to improve your description. So by clicking that, see what we got. Create a website for an agro-tech company that targets Nigeria while also appealing to the global market. This website should so there's no point reading everything. By the time we click the submit button, AI start generating the website for us. So let's give it some couple of minutes and wait till AI finish generating the website. So the AI is actually done. It's loading a preview of our website for us. Yeah, this is our website. We can always change the content to fit in our own personal content. But this is actually nice. This is actually nice. Okay, we have learned how to utilize AI to build our website. So let's move to the number 4 we have here on our slide, which is adding your services and product. Now, AI have generated your website and put some default content. We just need to change it to the best of how we want it to be. So first, we need to go to ChatGPT and generate our content from ChatGPT. We'll bring it to our Hostinger and paste in what ChatGPT generated. Most times, we don't need to even change the content because our prompt contains every information that the AI website builder needed. But for cases that we need to update it, we can go to ChatGPT and get that done. Okay, so we are going to change the content. By just clicking on it, you can change the content. You can replace your image or you can switch to text. So on this logo, we already have a name, maybe agro what? Let's say agro Niger. Sorry, agro Niger, agro Niger Tech, agro Niger Tech. So that will be the name of our company. We can decide to change the color to like green, color to like green. Let's make it shiny and green. So And at the same time, you can switch to image and you don't need to code. When you are done, you just simply click this. Then for changing the content, I think I'm okay with this. But if you really need to change the content, you can double click on it, select it, copy the content and move to ChatGPT. And we can ask ChatGPT, please update this content based on based on my business based on my business based on what we are working on. So empowering Nigeria farmers with cutting edge. Okay, this is our original test, but this is what AI recommended. So it's going to, you are going to be the one to actually select the one you'll be working with. But I think on this video, I'm going to select this particular one, which AI also said recommended. AI recommended that. We'll go back and paste it here and we are good. Now the reason why it's showing back because paste it, we can change the color by clicking this place and select. I'll put it white. Okay, it's now that I entered. It was transparent before. So that's all. And as well, apply it to this. We can change by clicking, double click, and change the content. We can decide to send the way we did it. We can apply that same strategy to change any of our contents that we want to change. We have learned how to update your content using ChatGPT to create a content that suits your website or your product and services. So the next thing we need to look at is the number 5 we have here, which is publishing your website. So when you are done, all you just need to do, you can click save, you can preview, then as well, you can go live. Now that we have learned how to create a website and go live, let's look into our next slide. Elevate your local visibility with Google Business Profile. Google Business Profile, which is popularly known as GBP, is an essential and indispensable free tool that help your business appear prominently on Google search and map. It is your digital doorstep for local customers. Now, let's look at the benefit of setting up your Google Business Profile. So the first one we have on our slide is show on Google Map. Yeah, it's essential for customers to navigate directly to your physical location. They can search on your business on Google and they can see where your physical or offices is being located. So for your business or for those that are into agri or real estate, it's very common to have so many locations in terms of your business offices. So this is what Google Map allow you to achieve using the Google Business Profile. Now, displaying content information, you can have an overview of what your company is into, your services. For instance, hotels, your different rooms and their pricing and their rating. And as well for agricultural business, your products, their prices and rating as well. Now, enabling customer reviews. Customer can review, rate you or underrate you for your services. And the higher you have rating reviews, the more Google tends to show your business to other related searches. So it's very, very important to keep your review high as possible. Increasing local discovery. It helps local customers find your business quickly when searching for products or services near them. You should take home is that every small and medium businesses must register and optimize their Google Business Profile to capture local market. So let's quickly dive into practical on how you can actually create your Google Business Profile. Okay. Sorry. So let's go to our browser and click on Google Apps so that we can navigate to business profile manager. So after doing that, you can just quickly click to sign up or get started now. I'll click on get started now. Now I already have a business account, so it may tell us that we already have a business account. So we probably had to create a new one for this course. So first, let me give you guys an example of a business profile on Google. So I'm quickly going to search on Overite. Going to search on Overite on Google. Now, after searching Overite on Google, if you see, you can see Overite at this place. This is Overite Google business profile. That's why we can find it here. So by the time I click on it, we can see more information. It takes us to our website and every related content on YouTube, on Facebook, and the rest of it, and even on YouTube, TikTok, everything. Even a description. Override is an Africa innovative hub and leading software company. Phone number, work hours, and the rest, and everything. Even reviews, website, reviews, and everything about Override. If you click on pictures, you can see other pictures about Override. You can book an appointment by using calendar and much more. If you click here, I think all the pictures that we impute on the Google business profile, we all see them. You see us on the map and the rest. So this is what Google business profile is all about. So that people can trust your company, people can send reviews about your company, and much more, and even where your company is being located. And you can see it will link to your LinkedIn platforms that you have shown, Instagrams, and much more. And as well, you can add your profile and the rest. So this is the benefits of setting up your Google business profile. So let's go back to our course. So now I'm going to create another Google business profile for a company, an AI company. So I'm going to say company name is Bora. Company name is company name is called Bora. Then I'm going to say Bora. Category, I'll say I'll say software company. I'm going to pick software company. I'm going to click next. Now it's going to ask me, do you want to add a location or custom? Yes, because we need to add a location to it. So it's Nigeria, select address, select, select, yes, select road. Okay, anyway, this is Isha, select road. Then local government is Oshodi, is Solo. Oshodi, Solo, yes. State is Lagos. Click on Lagos, click next. So it's asking Zion Hall events. No, it's not Zion Hall event. I say 6 is Solo Way, Lagos. It's Solo CAD Solo Road. No. Okay, none of this is my address. None of this. I'll click on next. It's asking me where am I located. So I'm going to I want to use the map. You, you can just pick your location and click next. After that, it will ask you, do you provide delivery or home and office? Do you provide deliverers, home and office? For example, if you visit or deliver to your customer, you can let them know where you are willing to go. Okay, yes. Oh, for now, let us click no. We can always update our profile. You can add the number. You can actually add the number we want to use. Chat. You can pick WhatsApp so that you can chat us on WhatsApp. So meanwhile, we are building an AI company. So WhatsApp is going to be managed by AI. So I'm just going to impute the AI contact. We're going to impute the AI contact, the AI WhatsApp contact, which is 08147983397. So this is it. Our website is https slash ubora.com. Then the phone number we're going to use, I'm still going to use, okay, let me use this my other line, 09157451803. I've used it before, so I don't know if it's going to be flagged, but let's click next. Okay, setup update about your business. Would you like alert notification or tips about way to manage your business? I can click yes. So it's practically don't take time. Okay, they are verifying, you are now verified. You can reply reviews and turn off. So that's actually all on how to create your business profile. So you can toggle when you are available. Is it Monday to Tuesday? Because we're an AI company, we're actually available all day. We're available 247 because it's an AI company. And as well, okay, they said specific 24 hours. This need to specify 24 hours, 24 hours, 24 hours, 24 hours, 24 hours, 24 hours. Let's click next. So we are available for 24 hours. Then they said we should add a business description. Don't forget that we have learned how to use ChatGPT to do that. So we'll just quickly go to ChatGPT and go to ChatGPT. I will say, please create a business description for my AI company called Ubura. So on your case, you can change Ubura to your own company name. So now it has created the description that we want. So back we'll just go back to here, paste it and click next. So that's it. You can add images if you want. You can select photo. I don't think I have any photo for now, but because of what we are working on, just to show you guys how it works, I'll just quickly look for a photo of Ubera logo or so for the meantime. Then later on we can always update to the taste of what we want. So I'm just going to add this Bora logo here. So this is it, and click next. You can always edit it, photo of. So on the photo part, maybe probably I'll just upload one of my photos, and we'll continue because we don't have enough time, and this is actually simple to create your business profile. All you just need to know is that you should make sure you have your Gmail set up, and I believe we have our Gmail set up. If you don't have your Gmail, you can leave a comment to say, please, I don't know how to create a Gmail account, or I don't have a Gmail account. Then I will guide you on how to do that. So we are done. We've added one photo. We can always continue to keep adding. Your edit will be visible once you are verified. Yes. Now you can see our business is not verified yet, but now you can see Ubora is now on Google. We appear on Google and much more. We can always add more informations that we need to add. But right now, when you search on Ubora, you can find us as a software company in Nigeria, and much more. People can easily review, send the comments about our business. We can add more. We can send a message to the phone number. We can chat as well, and we can do much more about this. So, guys, thank you for staying to this moment of this course. Okay, let's look at these tips you should use on generating content for your business description with AI. Now, you can copy this prompt, which says write a professional description for a business type in Nigeria, targeting local customers. So, for example, you can say write a professional business description for PD farms, for do gift fashions store in Nigeria, targeting a local customer, and so on. So, how do you use, or where can you use AI generated content? On your website, informations like your about session, your homepage tagline, even your business profile, in your business profile information section, your social media for your marketing content, your bio across Facebook, Instagram, and so on. Remember to tailor the business type to your specific industry for the most relevant result, so that you can get the best out of AI. So, another practical thing we should look at is expanding your online content with AI. Yeah. So, beyond just the business profile, AI can assist you generate a wide area of content, saving your time and ensuring consistency across your digital platforms or touch points. Your homepage introduction, you can ask AI to draft a catchy paragraph that said a lot about your business. You can also do that on your About Us page. You can ask ChatGPT to generate a compelling narrative about your brand or your business. And I swear you can tell AI to generate a comprehensive service list or your product list, and WhatsApp business description. Can ask AI to help you to generate that as well. So anything related to content, you should ask AI. Then you can use what AI generated if it's okay by you, but if not, you can still keep or you can still modify what AI generated. So the tips you should take is always review and edit AI generated content to ensure it's perfectly aligned with your brand voice and specific messaging before posting. It's not just copy, you just post. You have to check, you have to review what AI I've sent to you. So guys, um let's quickly do a checklist. Ask yourself these questions. So our checklist for today, to make sure we get the best thing, is to your business description. Is it ready? Have you have a business description? Your website plan, have you sorted that out? Your Google listing and understanding, have you done that? Your social media bio improvement, have you done that? Your digital presence strategy, have you done that? So try and get content on that, on these things I just mentioned, and try to see if you can set up your website, your business profiles on your various social media accounts, coming online on Google business profile. If you have done that, leave a comment. And if you have any challenge regarding to this, you can as well leave a comment. We are always here to assist you in this course.